Chris, we're sitting in our Mark 1 Cooper S to talk about LED light conversions, because many people say that when you're driving a classic car and the sun goes away, so does the fun. But this totally changes that, doesn't it?
It does, yeah, and we're really proud of this one. This is something that we've developed under our Q Parts brand, and this is the third iteration of our LED lighting. This benefits from an aluminium chassis and dual ball bearing fan with a 30,000 hour 5-year guarantee. It uses the latest surface mounted LED technology. We've developed this specifically for classic cars, which were manufactured pre-April 1984. So this is a road legal upgrade.
And so multi-mark, as you say there, so not just limited to MGBs.
You got it. I mean, if you look at the list there, we've got Jag, Morris, MG, Land Rover, Ford, Mini, Triumph, and many more besides. We also know that they can fit European cars, because what we decided to do, if you look here, you've got the 3 tangs of the H4 fitment that you and I are most familiar with. Yeah. But in Europe, they have the P45T fitment, which is completely round. So what we decided to do to make these available to our European distributors is we came out with a bayonet fitment that would allow you to remove the H4 and replace it with the round type for the European. And what's fundamental here is the driver, which is often missing on inferior LED conversions. The driver does the job of starting the LED, and it also regulates the temperature and the continuous power supply to the LED unit. So that means you don't get the flicker, you get the initial surge power supply that's required to start the LED correctly. You get the enhanced longevity as a result of the driver, without which you would find the LEDs would burn out more readily. And the other benefit with this is that you're not putting your lighting under very much load. So when you think about the headlamp flash on main beam, you're bringing in both dip and main twice over. So you could easily bring in over 110 watts across 12 volts. And that's quite a lot of ampere demand on your flasher, which is why many people suffer with the problem of the old combination switch failing. Because what's happening there is all that power is going through the switch on these classic British cars before the relays were introduced. And as a result of all that power going through the switch, it makes the contact hot, it sinks into the plastic, builds up resistance, and makes it even hotter the next time you go for the flash. So often people struggle with headlamp flashers expiring. A good way to avoid that and get the benefit of improved lighting, range, able to use the car in all weathers, is to fit an LED conversion, but choose one that's been specifically developed for a classic car.
And you were saying it's like 800% brighter, isn't it? It's fantastic.
It's much, much brighter, and you might think that dazzles, but it doesn't. And we get these beam checked. We know that they can produce a pattern correctly. You can just follow the instructions and away you go.
And it is plug and play, as easy as the roadside change that changing a bulb should be. So why don't we give it a go?
That's right. And you've got something from a quality brand designed to last that will give you an increased usability of your classic car in all weathers.